Today I'll show you guys Mercedes C240 and the fuse box locations on this Mercedes. So let's get started. So the first fuse box is gonna be right in here. To open it, you just get it carefully, take a screwdriver and pry it just like that, and there's the fuses, and that's some kind of booklet. To close it, you just line this up, the top ones and the bottom, click it, and it's good. And to get to OBD port, it's right under the steering wheel, right here. You just open this, and it's right there. So to get to the next one, you have to open the hood. You have to just pull this. So to open the hood, there's like a little plastic thing. Just pull it and raise it up. To get to the other fuse box, you have to take this cover off. And it's in there, right there. Put it back in. Also, if you want to get to the battery, it's right here. Right in there. To put it back, just line this up.